Are you struggling with pests in your organic garden? It's a common challenge, yet it's essential to tackle this issue without resorting to harmful chemicals. Natural pest control is key to maintaining a healthy, vibrant garden. Today, we're sharing the top 7 methods for natural pest control, so you can keep your garden healthy and vibrant. Scene script. Let's dive into the top 7 methods for natural pest control. First up, we have companion planting. Isn't it fascinating how Mother Nature has her own pest repellents? Some plants naturally ward off certain pests, so why not plant these alongside your main crops? It's a win-win. Next, we have beneficial insects. Now, this might make some of you squirm, but hear me out. Inviting insects like ladybugs and praying mantises into your garden can be a game changer. These little warriors will munch away at those pesky pests. Moving on, we have barriers and traps. Use physical barriers like netting or traps with lures to keep unwanted guests at bay. It's like setting up a VIP-only section in your garden. Fourth, we've got natural pesticides. Certain plants can be brewed into natural pesticides. Just spray these concoctions on affected areas, and voila, you've got your very own pest control. Next on the list is crop rotation. Simply changing what you plant from season to season can disrupt pest cycles, reducing their populations. It's like playing musical chairs with your plants. Number 6 is healthy soil. Healthy soil promotes strong plants, and strong plants are less likely to be affected by pests. Think of it as building a strong immune system for your garden. Last but not least, homemade sprays. Mixtures of common household items like dish soap can deter pests. It's like whipping up a homemade remedy. With these 7 methods, you can keep your garden pest-free naturally. Nature provides plenty of ways to control pests in your garden. Embracing these natural methods not only keeps your garden thriving, but also contributes to a healthier environment. If you found this video helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.